chain 36, join with slip stitch into the last chain from the hook. Round 1, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same chain, one single crochet in each of next 2 chains, 1, 2, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in each of next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 single crochet in next chains, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, round 2, slip stitch into the next single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same single crochet, seven single crochet stitches into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the second single crochet, 1, 2, repeat 7 single crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the second single crochet stitch, slip stitch into the first single crochet, round 3, slip stitch in each of next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same single crochet, one single crochet in each of next 2 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 single crochet in next single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, repeat, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 single crochet in next single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the first single crochet, round 4, slip stitch into the next single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same single crochet, 7 single crochet stitches into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the second single crochet, repeat 7 single crochet stitches into the next chain space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the second single crochet, slip stitch into the first single crochet. The next rounds repeat round 3 and round 4.